Welcome to ARLOOPA Studio. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a geospatial AR experience. On the ARLOOPA Studio homepage, click Create New Experience. Next, choose the type of experience you want to build. For this tutorial, we'll select Geospatial AR. Choose Google Geospatial and click Next. Then, select an empty scene to open the Studio editor. For this example, we'll place AR content on the Eiffel Tower. In the search bar, type in the location and position it so the landmark fits inside the red cube. Once it's aligned correctly, click Next. Inside the editor, a 3D model of the Eiffel Tower will be loaded. This model will serve as the base for our AR experience. Now, let's add a butterfly to the Eiffel Tower. On the right side in the Assets, click Models and choose the Sketch Fab option. Here, you can search for a ready-made butterfly model. Once the model is uploaded, click on it to make adjustments. You can resize, reposition, or rotate it until you're happy with the result. When everything looks right, click Publish. To view this experience, users need to be physically near the Eiffel Tower. On the ARLOOPA map, they can tap the pin, and the app will prompt them to point their camera at the Eiffel Tower to see the AR content come to life. Thank you for watching.